Your mind be free, save yourself and leave the words you've spoken, 'cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free.
For $2, you can either pick an Oreo Blizzard or a cookie dough Blizzard.
Some dreams are meant to be broken.
Once the ice cream is dispensed, chocolate sauce and the chosen mix-in is dispensed. You can then use the mixer to blend the ingredients together.
Tear down all your features, go against the feeling, make them fall like gravel to the floor.
And now that the machine is finished, it's time to put it to the test. So my little business venture didn't go too well. And while my side business limps along, let's buy a cookie dough Blizzard. Dollar bills are detected by a sensor and pulled inwards by a motor. The ice cream is tipped from one cup into another by a second motor. The chocolate syrup comes from a syringe and a tube which are located above the cup. The only difference between the Oreo and the cookie dough mechanisms is in which direction the topping motor rotates. The mixer button is rigged up to a power function switch, which consequently makes the motor spin. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.